New Bugatti 8-piston monobloc brake caliper is the world's first brake caliper to be produced by 3D printer. Also largest brake caliper in the automotive industry as a whole. Bugatti is the first series manufacturer to use titanium, a material calling for extremely complex and challenging processing. Worldwide innovation is the result of cooperation between the Bugatti development department and Zentrum Nord in Hamburg. French supersports car brand reaches new milestone in development of 3D printing as a future-oriented technology. As the technical development laboratory of the Volkswagen Group, Bugatti leads the way in 3D printing and is a worldwide innovation driver. 3D printed components to be trialed for series production this year. Experience gained to be used in research and development projects of the Volkswagen Group and its brands.